Good morning. It's Brenda, Esh, and Shoshana here to share a little more from the podcast and from the program called Stepping Stones to Love. And it's really based on wisdom for your everyday life, how to make our lives beautiful. And actually, we don't have to make it beautiful, it is already beautiful, but how to take away the clouds that prevent us from seeing the beauty that this world already is. Mm. And from receiving the incredible gifts and clarity that's already here. It's all here. It's all here. And so today we're going to talk about a very interesting stepping stone. And it's a very simple one. And it says, don't listen to dire predictions. Look, the sun is breaking through. This came to me very strongly today because we've had all these really dire predictions about big snowstorms coming, winds, electricity out, the grid down, you name it, you name it. People really jump on what could look like bad news. Well, they turn something beautiful into bad news. That's very important to notice that. And, stay inside, don't go out, all of these things. And I'm not saying we don't need to have some kind of forecast, of course, of what's possible, but it's not usually these dire predictions are so often not true. And I'm not only talking about the weather naturally, there are so many, we've been inundated with dire predictions, our health, our well-being, our finances, our homes, our lives, our relationships, only all the awful things that could happen. The dangers, danger, danger, danger. That's all we hear. We don't even get an opportunity to see that life continually, inevitably supports us, nourishes us, gives to us, provides shelter, food, friendship, and ways of handling difficult moments, just moments. I would say difficult moments. A moment is only a moment. And if we are fed, if we are all fed, we're not hungry, we're not frightened, we're filled up with the beauty and the goodness of life, then we can walk on this earth confidently and calmly and receive the clarity and the insights that are always available to guide us how to handle difficult moments. Maybe there is a storm one time. Maybe the snow's falling harder and harder. Well, first of all, let's enjoy it. Children enjoy it. They make snowmen. They see the beauty of each snowflake. They enjoy it. They realize something potentially beautiful is happening. Something beautiful is happening, not potentially. But we grow up and we say, well, I'm getting smart. I'm getting wise. I know how to handle. I know what to expect. You don't know what to expect. You never know what to expect because here we had such a snowstorm predicted today. I sat down, I looked at the beautiful snowflakes, beautiful. And in a few minutes, it turned to light rain, nothing stuck. And to my amazement, when I looked up soon after that, the sun was actually shining through. We never expect. Why did I have amazement? We don't expect that the sun will shine through. We put all our faith and our expectation and our belief in the dire predictions. It's a very important point, extremely, extremely important point. Where are you really putting your belief and your focus? If you're putting it on that everything is so awful and will become more awful, you're not going to see the beauty of the snow or the sun popping out or all the good things and the beautiful things that are happening in your life every moment. Oh, I can walk today. I can actually feel the ground on my foot. Such a nice feeling. I can take the next step. Things we normally just overlook as meaningless. Excuse me, sorry. It's not meaningless, it's the most meaningful, the most beautiful. And the more we get in touch with that and learn to walk confidently and take charge of what we're paying attention to and believing and listening to, the more we will be able to handle difficult moments. That's all, just moments. By and large, on the overall, when we can see it, we'll see that the sun is always, just about, if not right now, shining through. Thank you very much for listening, and I will be back very soon. If you like this, please, excuse me, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.